This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving ownership. Enter the exact Google email or phone tied to Google Photos and follow the recovery prompts. Use a device and location you've used before. Google weights that heavily. Once done, provide any remembered passwords and give the approximate account creation month or linked devices when asked. Make sure to choose methods you can access now, recovery email, phone number, or backup codes, because immediate verification speeds up restoration. Next, follow the verification flow Google offers. You'll be asked to confirm via SMS, a recovery email link, or a two-step verification prompt on a trusted device. If those aren't available, select the option to answer account-specific questions, recent passwords, contacts, or when you created the account. Explain clearly and enter precise answers. Small details matter. If you have backup codes or a security key, use them now to bypass harder checks and regain access faster. Once verification succeeds, create a strong new password and enable two-step verification to secure Google Photos. Make sure recovery phone and email are updated and store backup codes somewhere safe. If the recovery attempt fails, don't panic. Wait a day and retry with more exact account details or additional devices you used before. If you pay for Google services or have billing info on file, contact Google support through the account help flow to escalate and verify ownership for final recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.